Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am showing you Central Station, Sydney. If you are traveling to Sydney, to Melbourne or to Gold Coast or anywhere, and that will be the right station for you. Plus you can get another countryside trains plus the local Sydney trains. So these are the escalator. So platform 1 to 8 is the regional trains platforms. So as you can see that, so these are the long route regional trains. So I am catching the Mount Victoria train from platform number 8, which will be departing in 6 minutes, and this is going to regional NSW, so towards Emu Plain, Springwood, Wentworth Falls. So let me show you how the train looks from inside. So this is two-level train.
Doors closing. Please stand clear. Doors closing. Please stand clear.
So this is the Central Station.